Look at me.
Mommy, busy ako.
What are you doing? Bakit ka naging busy?
Dadada ko sa ko.
Ay, ganun po ba yon? At least look at me. Only one lang. Please.
Okay.
Look at me. Hey, I'm waiting. Okay.
Picture na.
No.
Hindi.
Pipicturean pa kita?
Yes.
May tatanong lang ako sa'yo.
Hindi. Picture.
O sige, ayan.
Nangiti.
Tatanong ko lang kasi kung gusto mo kumain ng hotdog. Hotdog? Do you want to eat hotdog?
No.
Do you want to eat hamburger?
No.
Do you want to eat cake?
Yes.
Ice cream?
Yes.
Fruits? Ano klaseng fruits?
Kasi
What kind of fruit? I mean, do you want strawberry or apricot? Hey! Why you're so busy naman? Hey! Ake! Sige na nga, babay na nga. Oh, sige. Di ba it's time for you na mag-aral?
Oh, yes.
Oh, then enough na sa cellphone and mag-aral na tayo.
Wait lang po. Tapos isip ko lang.
Okay.